Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried egg rolls. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground pork, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, and 1 cup of shredded carrots. Don't forget your egg roll wrappers, which should be at room temperature for easy handling. A large mixing bowl will be essential for combining everything perfectly. Now, let's prepare our flavorful filling. Begin by cooking your 1 pound of ground pork in a large skillet over medium heat until it's completely browned and crumbled. It's important to drain any excess fat to prevent soggy egg rolls. Then, combine the cooked pork with your 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Mix it all together thoroughly. Rolling egg rolls properly is key to their crispiness. Lay one wrapper in a diamond shape on a clean surface. Place about 2 tablespoons of filling onto the bottom third. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the 2 side corners towards the center. Roll the wrapper tightly upwards from the bottom, sealing the top corner with a dab of water to secure it. Repeat this process for all your egg rolls. Finally, it's time to fry these beauties to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 3 or 4 egg rolls into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them and drain on a wire rack. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.